Hey, what's up everybody? It's LightningCasterHD here, and welcome to LightningCasterHD. Now, if you found this channel, you probably came from, LightningCasterHD. This is the collab channel not collab channel, I don't know how to explain it, but it's basically the channel that me and Shielded Lightning will be uploading on. On our main channels we upload very highly edited videos, okay? On this channel we're gonna upload mainly Let's Plays and maybe vlogs, you know, something like that. We're not gonna upload highly edited videos because we don't have the time. Because we still like doing things like Minecraft and oh my god, ping. What is your ping? Like 4? I mean, not 4, like 400? Lag much? Lag much? Anyway. Yeah, so basically, there isn't really gonna be a specific uploading schedule for this channel, but we're gonna try to upload as much as we can, just like Minecraft Let's Plays. Not just Minecraft too. Don't think that at all. Oh my god. People are lagging. How are you hitting me from that far? How are you hitting me from that far? How are you hitting me from that far? Rod combo? Rod combo? Nope, not rod combo. But yeah, so this first video, basically, I am going to be explaining, and I'm just going to be playing some Badlion PvP. It's pretty fun. Lag much, sir? Dang it, I am so bad. I need to get better at my PvP skills. Yeah. I want to win a few games before I get this video to an end. Get hit. Get hit. Oh, you want to light me on fire, do you? I can play that game. Dang it! I'm so bad. Whatever. I'll get better. I'm gonna gapple, I'm gonna gapple, I'm gonna gapple, I'm gonna gapple. Gapple, 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 gapple. Come on, come on. Oh, you wanna, oh, you run a rod spam. I'm really bad, guys. I'm sorry. I haven't played PvP in a while, and I'm really bad at jitter clicking. I just can't PvP for crap. Yep, like I said. Okay. Okay. I can get this one. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Oh yeah. Got a bow hit. Seriously, why did you put that fire down exactly? Yes, get wrecked, noob. I'm the one that's bad, not him, so. Yeah, I gappled, and you can't do no- Oh, okay, you can gapple too. Okay, you can jitter click. I cannot. Okay, you can jitter click. I cannot jitter click. I suck. Oh my god, I need to get better. So much better. I want to be the very best PvPer there ever was. Please tell me that was a hit. Please tell me that was a hit. Dang it. Oh, I see what you're doing here. And guess what? It's not gonna work. Probably will. Get hit. Oh! Oh, I killed him! Oh! I killed him with that last bow hit. Wow. I didn't even think that hit. You wanna play bow game? I'll play bow game. Nope. I'll play bow game. No. Oh, what? How are you getting these hits on me, man? Okay, I gappled. I can light you on fire too. It's not that hard. Yeah, I'm dead. Okay. Well, anyway, guys, I hope you guys understand what's going on about the new channel and stuff, and yeah, stuff like that. So plus what's gonna be going on, and we don't really have an upload schedule, and we're probably not ever going to. It's not gonna be daily, so don't get your hopes up, but yep, that's it. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.